Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You definitely do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 26th of March, 2025, our system has designated Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.26. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing an increase of 0.39%. This equates to an average return of 0.20% per day since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $281.13 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline and could be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 42.39% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 62.76% to 40.70%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 70%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from an increase of 44.12% to 235.88% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $393.64 and $917.39. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock price ended at $273.13 on Thursday, after gaining nearly 0.4%. The Tesla stock price increased by almost 0.4% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, rising from $272.06 to $273.13. During the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.36%, with a low of $271.82 and a high of $291.84. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, and is up by over 13.5% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day in conjunction with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 14 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 159 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $43 billion, $410 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $488.54, while the lowest was $138.80. Currently, the price is 44.09%, or $215.41, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock has been experiencing significant fluctuations today due to several key developments. First, a man from Las Vegas has been charged in connection with a Molotov cocktail attack on Tesla vehicles, raising ongoing concerns about the safety and public perception of the brand. Although this incident may generate negative sentiment in the short term, it is unlikely to have a lasting effect on the stock's fundamental value. Meanwhile, former President Trump's recent announcement of a 25% tariff on imported automobiles has sent shockwaves through the auto industry, causing stocks. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Tesla a reduce rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer gave Tesla a mixed rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, it was reported that GLJ Research assigned Tesla a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush gave Tesla an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned Tesla a buy rating with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, and so far, it has risen by approximately 22.95%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising in conjunction with the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The Tesla stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a prevailing sell signal for the stock, presenting a more negative outlook. In the event of further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $291.95. Should the stock decline, it will find support from the short-term average at $261.79. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will result in an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall trend. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal, recorded 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, recorded 33 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, noted 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, noted 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal, observed 44 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal, noted 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal, noted 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal, recorded 20 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla currently finds support from accumulated volume at $272.06. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock is known for its significant daily movements, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $20.02 between its high and low, which represents a change of 7.36%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 7.11%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This significantly high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with substantial market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of April, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at 530 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $278.39. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, this may be a level to consider for swing trading. Tesla encounters its first support level at $272.06. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by James R. Murdoch, who bought and sold 1,118,350 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 19.355. In total, insiders have purchased 883,105 shares and sold 1,328,597 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla currently exhibits several negative signals, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 28th of March, we expect Tesla to open higher by $5.80, beginning trading at $278.93. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not rely solely on StockInvest.us when making your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.